My name is Akinola Mufolua, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. What type of bond is formed between
Ionic.
The degree of randomness or
Entropy.
Elements having the same number of protons but different mass numbers are called
Isotopes.
Simplify 11011 base 2 minus 1100 base 2.
Skip.
What is the place of 6 in the number 0.
Thousands.
A wristwatch bought for 750 naira was resold
20%.
What is sine minus 30?
Minus half.
Factorize a
A
squared.
minus 2 all squared.
Evaluate log.
Half.
A body emits 60 vibrations per second of waves traveling at 30 meters per second. The wavelength of
0.5.
This is your last question. A stretched string has a fundamental frequency of 20 Hz. The number of overtones between 20 Hz and 90 Hz is your last question.
3.
Well done, Akinola.
My name is Sofo David, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. What is an area occupied by biotic community?
Skip.
A community of plants and animals functioning together.
Ecosystem.
The organelle for movement in Chlamydomonas.
Flagella.
What is the degree of saltiness or
Salinity.
the ability of living organisms to
Reproduction.
What type of metamorphosis does?
Incomplete.
What group in the periodic table are alkalic element
Group 2.
metals? The most well-known ring structure that possesses double bonds is?
Carbon.
What is the period of the element whose ground state electron configuration is represented as follows: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6? The object and image distance of a pin are 25 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. What is the magnification of the image?
Half.
The ability of the eye to focus objects placed various distances.
Accommodation.
The lack of power of accommodation due to the hardening of the eye is called as your last question.
Cataract.
Well done, David.
My name is Chidalumi, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. The rate at which organisms die in a habitat is called?
Mortality.
What is the movement of organisms from different habitat into a new habitat?
Immigration.
The number of individual organisms per unit area or volume of the habitat is known
Population density.
as? Red blood cells are also called?
Erythrocytes.
White blood cells are also called?
Leukocytes.
What in the blood converts fibrinogen into fibrin?
Skip.
The muscles of the heart,
Cardiac muscles.
the valve between the left auricle and the left ventricle is?
Skip.
The central wall that divides the heart into right and left half is known as?
Skip.
Factorize x squared minus 4. That's your last question.
X squared minus 2 or x equals 2.
Well done, Chidalo.
Name is Mega Meridian, and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. What is the oxidation number of any?
0.
Which subatomic particle is negatively charged?
Electron.
Atoms in the molecule are held together by?
Covalent bond.
What is the other name of alkene?
Skip.
What must remain constant if Boyle's law is?
Temperature.
How many protons are found in the nucleus of
Skip.
what? The frequency of a wave having
Skip.
a wave. The rotating disc in a siren has 30 holes.
1.5.
The distance between the center of curvature and the pole is? The distance between the center of curvature and the pole is?
Radius.
Given that P equals 134 and T equals 234, then P is P.
3, 4.
Factorize B squared plus.
Skip.
Evaluate log 64 base 4.
3.
Well done, Mary Jane.